According to China EV Post, the wait time for Tesla's Model 3 in China has increased. It now ranges from 2 to 4 weeks, up from 1 to 4 weeks. Model Y wait times remain unchanged at 1 to 3 weeks. The Model 3 is available in 3 variants. Prices start at $31,870 for the rear-wheel drive version. The long-range all-wheel drive version costs $38,066. The performance version is priced at $46,026. The Model Y also has 3 variants. Prices start at $34,986 for the rear-wheel drive version. The long-range all-wheel drive version costs $40,726. The performance version is priced at $50,686. Tesla's Shanghai factory has a production capacity of over 950,000 vehicles annually. It serves both local consumers and export markets. In June, Tesla sold 59,261 vehicles in China, a 20.15% decrease year-on-year. In the first half of the year, Tesla sold 278,317 vehicles in China. The Model 3 accounted for 70,500 of these sales, while the Model Y sold 207,817 units. You are listening to Yuan News.